Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what are we doing today? Well, we're going to, right now, you and I, we're going to walk over to that box that Jared gave us a bunch of goodies, and we're going to do part 2 of the unboxing of all this stuff. So you can see I'm grabbing some knives. Let's go ahead, turn this around, and take a look at the knives, the 3 knives I grabbed from above. All right, guys, part 2. We grabbed, as you saw, 3 more knives off the top of the box in no particular order. So let's go ahead and we got a Civivi case. This is it was a petrified fish, I believe. Yes, petrified fish. I believe it says it's a Terra. I'm not sure. We don't know what any of these are. Let's go ahead and we'll do this one first. All right, guys, let's open this puppy up and see. I imagine that it is the petrified fish. It is. It is the petrified fish Terra. Is this petrified fish? Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Yep. There you go. Petrified fish Terra. I have not gotten to see any of the petrified fish knives. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like this. I really like this. Nice blade shape on this. Lots of belly. I wish it had a little bit more flat, but we'll see how it cuts and everything. It's attractive look. Got a good stone wash. But I'll tell you guys what, that is so comfortable in hand. Even with that big, deep-ish carry pocket clip, it's still really comfortable. Action is snappy. Not quite drop shut. Not quite drop shut. Centering, pretty good. Let's feel the blade grind. That is a nice blade grind. That comes down nice and thin behind the edge. We'll see how it cuts. I may have to touch this up looking at it. I don't know what all Jared has done with this, but that is really, really comfortable in hand. Very comfortable in hand. Even with, like I said, that pocket clip seems like it would be uncomfortable. It's not real heavy. Good bit of weight reduction in there. Yeah, the flipper tab is not too much, and it just kind of blends in with the rest of the scales. I like that a lot. For the first one of the petrified fish I've gotten to handle, that's pretty good. I like that. Yeah, that is, what steel is this in? Does it say? D2 is what it looks like. So, yeah, for the first one I've seen, I'm happy with how that feels in hand. We'll see how it plays out in the first day of pockets. I will tell you that one I showed you guys yesterday, that little mini, that slim Boker Plus, is probably going to be one of the first ones in pocket. That's probably one of the first ones you're going to see. That is nice. I like that. There you go. The petrified fish Terra. Well, let's take a look and see what's in here. I bet it's a 50-50 shot whether it's a Civivi with Jared. It is a Civivi. What is this? This is a Civivi Terrax. I like that. That's a good looking. Oh, that is comfortable. That is just about right in hand. Look, this scale's going out. I'm not a fan of the pocket clips per se that they use on some of these, but it's not uncomfortable. Not so far. I haven't done any cutting with it yet. Action seems fairly smooth. Yeah. Just shy of, just shy of drop shut. I like that black and silver. The blade grind on it is a little thick behind the edge. It is a little thick behind the edge. Jared has laid that angle back to give it a better chance of cutting. You can't go, like, that's one of the things you can do. I am gonna have to sharpen this though before I give it any good. You can see the edge on it. It's a little bit torn up, but that's Jared's aftermarket edge on it. So yeah, it's a little bit thick, but Jared's done a pretty good job of laying that angle back to make it cut a little bit better. It's probably not gonna be perfect, but we'll see. I may just be able to hone that up. We'll put it on a ultra fine and see how it goes. Jimping's pretty good. Action's okay. Feels really good in hand. We'll see how it does in, I've got a lot of cardboard and stuff to cut up here at the house, between packages that came in and stuff that my wife got for her trip to Japan that we had to unpack. Yeah, nice snappy action on it. It might not be false shut, but you definitely, you got good detent on that. I like a snappy action. I would prefer a heavier detent on a lot of knives. That's just about right. No real hot spots whatsoever to speak of. So there you go. There is the Terrax by Civivi. We will take a look at that in pocket when we get a chance. Oh, reversible pocket clip, I just noticed. And the last one you're going to get in this quick video is this thing that's in the O-knife case. Let's see whether it's an O-knife or not. I don't know. It appears that it might be. Let's see. I can't tell. Yeah, O-knife. Carbon fiber overlaid G10. How's it feel? This one feels a little weird in hand. We'll have to see. This is the Freeze 2. This is the Freeze 2. I like the way they did. That is a really good. If you just want to look at a logo and see something cool, that is a pretty good looking logo. 154 cm. Comes down nice and thin. That's a really good blade shape. Let's see. Is it just, I think it is just the way it fits in my hand that feels weird. It kind of wants to roll out of the cut. We'll see how that lines up. Let's see what's the action like. As I would expect from anything Kaiser made, it is pretty smooth. I like the blue. I like the blue and carbon fiber look on that. Reversible pocket clip. It's not a great pocket clip, but it's not hot spotty, but it just kind of feels like it throws the angle of the knife off. It could be a combination of that and this really deep area here, which I will say gives you really good access to the lock bar. I do like that. I like that access to the lock bar. It is just effortless to disengage that lock. Like I said, action on it is really smooth. I like that blade shape. This is a very, 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 very good blade shape. You got a little bit of belly, nice flat. It kind of combines the things I love about some knives. I don't like blades that are super, super upswept because it just doesn't feel like you have a flat surface to work on. That's why I have kind of went to liking Wharncliffe's so much. Wharncliffe's and Sheepsfoot, but this kind of bridges that gap. You got a nice big flat area and then a little bit of upsweep. Nice looking spear point, drop point blade. It looks plain, but it's very attractive in this package. So hopefully I can get by it. I like the look of that knife. The jimping's a little soft. Jimping's a little soft. But yeah, just out of box first impressions. That's a good looking knife. So we'll turn this around, do some final thoughts, and I will get you another installment in a couple days on this. All right. I don't know if you can hear the disappointment in my voice, but I'm very upset with Jared for having sent the Sumo. It ruined my day, and now I can't do anything else today. And I'm pretty sure that I'm not doing a live feed because I went to my storage unit today, and I hurt my back. So if you're watching this, I don't know what day you're going to see it, but Monday's live feed did not happen because my back hurts, and there's no way I'm sitting in one of these chairs for 2 hours. So yeah, that's it on this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, let me know. Give me a thumbs down. You can do that, but you've got to let me know what you didn't like because I can't change the content if you don't tell me what it is you don't like. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, hit the bell icon. If you do hit the bell icon, make sure you've got notifications turned on your device so you get notified of everything. I'm trying to get back to 2 videos a day, whether it be a live and a pre-recorded or 2 pre-recordeds. I'm trying to get that, and we might have some weekend content. I'm going to start doing some more members only live feeds on weekends. If you want to support the channel financially, there's a handful of ways you can do it. It's all like self-sponsorship. Down in the description below are a ton of affiliate links. They all directly support the channel, but they don't cost you anything at checkout. And as a matter of fact, there's a couple of them, Coffee Brand Coffee and Atlas VPN, both items that I have here at the house and use, will save you at checkout. Other ways you can do it, I have a membership down below in the description. It's tier-based. Everyone that's a member has access to my Gilded server. Baseline and premium tier members have access to are entered into a giveaway that I do on the Gilded server of knives and gear and things like that. And the premium tier guys have access to a sharpening tutorial series I've built here on YouTube. And the final way is I have a merchandise store at Ember Shirt Co. where you can get Mike, spit it out. You can get my merchandise at a discount or other creators' merchandise for 10% off if you use my coupon code CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S. CrazySharp saves you 10% at checkout. Guys, that's it on this one. Oh, Jesus. Guys, that's it on this one. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comments section. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video.